Introducing the 2025 Skoda Octavia C SE Plus 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG in dazzling white. This stunning estate model is packed with top-of-the-line features to elevate your driving experience. From the luxurious interior, with amenities like air conditioning and Bluetooth phone connectivity, to the advanced safety and security systems, including lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle is designed to keep you safe and comfortable on the road. Not only does this Skoda Octavia offer an impressive list of features, but it also comes with a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can drive away in the 2025 Skoda Octavia C SE Plus 2.0 Ti 150 horsepower DSG.